Hello, gardening enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique,
The channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products for all your gardening needs. Today, we have something truly special to talk about. Jobe's Organics 9021 Fertilizer. If you're looking for the best organic fertilizer for tomatoes, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this product stand out and why it's a must-have for your garden. So, stay tuned. Let's start by taking a look at the packaging. Jobe's Organics 9021 Fertilizer is available in various styles and sizes, but we'll be focusing on the 1.5 pounds bag. This organic granular fertilizer is designed to provide your tomatoes and vegetables with the nutrients they need for a bountiful harvest. It's not just any fertilizer. It's certified organic, which means no synthetic chemicals are involved in its production. Now, let's talk about what sets Jobe's Organics 9021 Fertilizer apart from the rest. First, it contains Jobe's Biozone, a proprietary microorganism blend that includes archaea, mycorrhizal fungi, and healthy bacteria. These microorganisms work together to break down organic material, improving soil conditions and helping your plants resist diseases, insects, and drought during the growing season. Jobe's Organics 9021 Fertilizer comes in various styles, including tomato and vegetable, all-purpose, fruit and nut, and many more. You can choose the one that suits your specific gardening needs. Customers have rated it as easy to use, giving it a high value for money score. The 1.5 pound resealable bag ensures convenience and allows you to use just the right amount. Another crucial feature is that it's OMRI listed for organic gardening by the USDA, making it suitable for use in certified organic food production. Now, let's take a quick look at what customers have to say about Jobe's Organics 9021 Fertilizer. It has received an impressive 4.6-star rating, with customers praising its effectiveness and value for money. Many have seen significant improvements in their plant growth and harvests. So, if you're looking to give your tomatoes and vegetables the organic boost they deserve, Jobe's Organics 9021 Fertilizer might just be your best bet. Before we wrap up, remember that this product is currently available in various styles and sizes to cater to your gardening needs. In conclusion, Jobe's Organics 9021 Fertilizer is a game-changer for any gardener looking to go organic and achieve healthier, more fruitful plants. Don't miss out on the opportunity to supercharge your garden with this fantastic fertilizer. That's all for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more exciting product reviews and gardening tips. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!